Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see, now we have to enter the settings. Here we have no settings icon, but no worries. As you can see, there is an add icon, so hold it. And as you can see, the languages appears, so let's tap on it. Now we are using system languages, but if you want to activate the list of available ones, simply tap on this switcher right here. And as you can see, now we can choose something from the list of available languages. So let me pick something, for example, Arabic. If you want to turn on the particular language, simply tap on the switcher on it. Now let's get back to the keyboard. Let's open the keyboard, and as you can see, we are still on the English keyboard. Also on the spacebar we can see the current language, and right next to it we've got the new icon, the globe icon. So as you can see, now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can switch to the Arabic one. Tap on the globe icon and again English. So this is it. This is how to add a keyboard language to your device. Now let me show you how to remove it. Simply tap on the add icon, click on languages again. Let's find the language you want to remove and tap on the switcher. If you want, you can of course enter the use system language option, so simply tap on it. As you can see, the list is deactivated. Let's get back. And as you can see, here we cannot switch through the languages and we can type only English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.